I'm back in the dust again. I'm not going to get over this. Ah, thank you. Right here by the looks of it. I can't say shit, this is probably dangerous. They're tight little fuckers. I was going to not swear, wasn't I? Oh, Jimmy, whoa. Ah, man, my thumb. Seriously sore. Let our Jimmy go ahead. We went that way. Yeah, that way. Oh god, my thumb hurts. I should stop complaining about that, but my fucking nose hurts. This is a little bit more grip up through here. Shouldn't say that, the famous last words. I'm in pain. Definitely in pain. I probably won't have to crouch as much as those blokes will I. Yay for short people! Not that I'm that short, I suppose. 5'9.5" is average, I would say. Right on about the average height of an Australian male, I guess. Right, I'm going to need to slow down because I can't see shit. I do a little jump, but I just can't turn it the other side. I've lost most of my confidence is the reality of it. My thumb hurts. When I ate shit right after the hill climb. First corner, left hand of the front just never gripped. I just went chunk, gone. You can hit the ground pretty hard too, don't worry. My fucking thumb, holy shit. Huh? Yeah, that's all fucking bent out of shape. So yeah, I'm just kind of cruising at my own pace now because my fucking thumb hurts. I've just seemed to have no grip at the front end. I think I got 13 pound in it. How about? We'll keep going if you want a bit longer. Down through the enchanted forest. Dust is getting a lot. Just trying to back off a little bit. Get a bit less dust if I can. Oh yeah, shit and Jesus. Holy shit, she's right through here. I'm crashed down like Valentino Rossi. That's a big one. my neck, the fucker. Stop swearing, stop swearing. Oh well, what an exciting third ride ever of a dirt bike. Still got a hell of a lot to learn, don't I? A hell of a lot to learn. Hill descent time. The worst thing about the GoPro is you can't see how steep these are, and I can tell you now, this thing has got some bloody steepness on it. She is proper steep. Cover the rear brake. I need to adjust that up because at the moment I can't reach it. I don't know either. Righto, I guess we're going that way. Jimmy's had enough to follow me, and that's fair enough. I wouldn't want to follow me either. This is rather steep, if you couldn't tell from the camera. Clip neutral with the foot. Back in sand. I don't like this, there's no grip on this. Another hill descent by the looks of it. We'll back her off a touch. Nice and slow. Because I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Oh, I nearly ran straight into the ditch on the side of the road, thus proving my point. Wait. That was an awkward one, wasn't it? Ugh. Just had a nice soft bush to land in that time, I guess. If I had to try and find a positive, but it did still hurt my thumb a little bit. I should turn this GoPro off every time I got it on. I seem to stall it. Right. The arrowway. Oh. It's that lack of front grip again. I don't like this surface at all. Not at all. And unfortunately I just reefed the same thumb I did the first time. I think that's when I pulled the hand off the bar. I had to have another jump in the bush. I was getting a bit tired and I thought that bush looks pretty good, so I had a quick lie down. I was just getting a bit tired, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes when you're out here riding, you just sort of get a bit tired, don't you? Like, pretty physical stuff, riding a dirt bike. Like, you're muscling it around all these things, and sometimes you just got to go, you know what? That bush there, that actually looks pretty comfortable. I wouldn't mind just having a quick spell just to lie down. I mean, obviously, pretty happy there wasn't a rock in it, because that would have ruined me lunch, I reckon. I just don't trust the grip here at all. I've had 2 crashes now in this crappy surface. Just something I've got to get used to. I'd rather have no more lie downs today if I can help it. I've had a couple and, you know, that was great. Sometimes you've got to get in contact with Mother Earth and really, you know, get to know her again. But I reckon I've done that now. I reckon my bike's done it. I reckon my gear's done it. The GoPro's done it. We're all in touch with Mother freaking Earth, and I'd rather not freaking fall off again, just saying. I know I'm holding the boys up, but what are you going to do? I decided to come for a ride with a noob. This, holy shit, this is slippery. That was just dirt. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera how slippery this is. Probably not. That's fine. Just have no grip. Oh, oh. I'll go this way. See if I can go. Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy the bush kangaroo. I think that's how it goes, isn't it? Must be getting delirious. Just about ready for a knock-off beer. Up. Again. With a lack of grip and this effing sand. Ow. Again. How many fucking times can I crash today? Oh, that's not ideal. You'll piss me out. Ah. Ah. Right, I'm in gear. Ow. Now my other thumb hurts. Oh, I've just about had enough today, I think. It's just going to take a minute for a breather. How's the bike holding up? That'll about do me for the day, mate.
I'm crashing.
Right.
What have you done?
Oh, I clipped the tree. I fucking hit it pretty hard and she just sucks the front end.
It's the same.
I don't even know if I bent the handlebars or not. Either way, what are we having?
You want to have a rest or you want to keep going?
I'll have a rest for a sec. I hate that sand. That can get f***ed. And that was just a bit of bad luck. I thought I was going along alright too, and I actually put my head down to f***ing dodge a tree, and whilst I did it, bang! Hey? I just picked the f***ing thing up against the hill. It was in the ditch, and they go, "No, you pretty."